Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel again. Here's another video today. Today we're going to talk about the instrument cluster on the F-150. Mine's a 2016 Lariat, so I'm going to have different options than say an XLT or an STX. So it's a beautiful day here. It's 79 here in Michigan. Oh my goodness, I've been waiting for this. I mean, it's sun's out, it's dry. Son's playing basketball. Alright, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so today I'm going to take you through the settings on the instrument cluster just to show you the wide array there is available to me anyway on the Lariat. There's a ton of stuff and it took me quite some time to actually go through it all and figure out what it was. So I'll take you through it. So the first window that you come to is called My View. Now on My View you can set up different screens that you want to see. It's pretty nice. I mean, anything you want you can put down here and customize yourself. So we'll skip that right now. Next screen is trip fuel. You have 2 trip meters on here that you can do. Go to trip meter 1. It gives you the time that the vehicle has been running, your miles to empty, how many miles you've gone on that trip meter, and your average miles per gallon. And it's the same thing with 2. There's 2 trip meters on it. Next one on this window is for fuel economy. This is your average that you run. Right now I'm at 15.9. This is your last 30-minute average. Shows you where you've been at. You have your compass. And then back to the top, which is trip meter 1. The next window you have here is tire pressure. You can see I'm at 40 psi for all 4 of them. Your digital speedometer, which I absolutely love having this option now. Our 14 Fusion does not have it. Wish it did. And this is your engine information that gives you your percent oil life, your engine hours, your engine idle hours. This tells you about your keys, your programmable keys. You can custom set one of your keys to, like if you have a teenager starting to drive, you can program that key not to go above like 55 miles an hour and the radio volume, or even not have the radio on while you're going down the road. It's pretty nice. And then back to the top with tire pressure. Next window we have, this is your towing status. I like this. It will tell you your turning radius here. I'm at 7 degrees right now. And then also your top to bottom. If I was ascending up a hill, it would show your degrees for that. No active trailer, so I don't have any towing information at this point. Same thing with the trailer light status. I don't have a trailer connected. And if I did have a trailer connected, I could set it up here. And there's also a trailer backup assist that you can set up as well. There's a connection checklist you can go through also when you connect the trailer. And that is it for towing. This one is off-road. And here's the same thing I showed you, except now you're also going to have a left and right degrees. This is your power distribution. This is pretty cool because if you put it in 4-wheel auto or 4-wheel high, then it will show you how much power is being transferred to the front wheels versus the rear, and vice versa. Next one down here, these are your actual settings. So here, when I'm on my way to work and I go down a rural road, I love this setting. I put it on auto high beam. It senses headlights and tail lights in front of you. So if there's a vehicle in front of you anywhere, it automatically shuts the brights off. Once it's clear, they come back on. Also, if it's not completely dark, like if the road's pretty well lit, they usually don't come on for me. So, which isn't a big deal because I can see anyway. Your check mark for your blind spot, which are your mirrors, the little dots in your mirror. Cross traffic alert. This is pretty cool. When you're backing out, like of my driveway, it will tell me if a car is coming. I absolutely love that. So I'm kind of far away from the road right now, the intersection, but let me see if I can get it to come on. Okay, here comes a car to my left. The rear park gate is on. See? Pretty cool. I definitely like that feature. And then your rear park aid, which senses how close you are to something. DTE calculation. You have it for normal and towing. I'm not towing anything. And then in your advanced settings, you have vehicle. You can, let's start at the top here. Auto engine off. This defaults every time you restart your car. It runs for, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes even. I'm not quite sure. I've never timed it, but then it will automatically shut your engine off just so you know it's not idling forever. But when you start your vehicle, you can shut it off if you want. Easy entrance and exit. This is for when you shut your vehicle off, it'll slide your seat back. And then once you get in and shut your door, it will slide you back up to where you want to be at. I don't like it, so I don't use it. Lighting. This is your auto lamp delay after you shut the vehicle off, how long they'll stay on if it's dark out. Your locks. Auto lock, auto unlock. I have them both checked. And then remote unlock. I like all doors to unlock because you know we've got 2 kids, so it's just easier. Your alarm, you can set it up for all sensors or just perimeter sensing, which means your motion sensors inside will not be active if you just do perimeter sensing. Oh, wasn't done. Power running boards, auto, and then you have off and then out. Now out, once you go above 5 or 10 miles an hour, it kicks them back in automatically. It's for car washes and stuff like that. So you can't just shut them off or keep them out all the time. Your remote start, up here at the top, climate control, you can put it on auto or last setting. I prefer the last setting. In the wintertime it works better for me, or else it just doesn't seem like it kicks out as much heat to warm it up. The front seats and wheels I also have on auto. That way if the truck knows it's hot outside, then it'll turn the air onto the seats. And then if it's wintertime, it'll turn the heat onto the steering wheel and the heat onto the seats. So that's a pretty nice option. And then your duration for your remote start. The remote start system, you can check to have it enabled. And that's it for remote start. And then wipers, you have a courtesy wipe, which I do not use. And then rain sensing. I have auto wipers on this truck, so if I keep the switch on auto on my wiper control here, then it senses the rain and then they kick on automatically. And then that is it for settings. Now, over here to my view, you can, these are all mine that I picked that I like, that I want to see. So you can configure my view, press OK, and then add or remove screens. Here you can go through these here. You can't go through settings, but you can go through these here and then pick out which screens you want. And then you can even reorder them if you get them out of order and you want to move one to the top, which my top one is the digital speedometer. Definitely. So that is it. That is everything there on the instrument cluster. And then obviously with the 4Scan, I added my temperature digital readouts for the transmission temp and the engine temp. I absolutely love how the electronics have come about in these vehicles now. They're just amazing. So if you guys are looking into different options, I mean, if you want all the bells and whistles, I mean, a Lariat is close. It's not a limited, or you know, it's not a platinum, but I mean, affordable wise, I mean, it's close. And, yeah. So hopefully this helps you guys out if you're shopping for a new vehicle, and gives you some insight on the controls for the Lariat. Again, it's a 16 Lariat. Alright guys, until we meet again. Alright guys, so today I am going to take you through... Okay, missed call.